So this is CoDrone, made for learning and indoor purposes. So in this box we get a user manual. This, before starting, we should refer so that we can have better understanding of the drone and before performing any experiment. So in this box we get a drone, which is, we can see, this much size, and these two red wings represents the face of the drone. That means when you move forward, the drone will move forward in this direction. We get a controller to control the drone with joystick, and two set of batteries along with some spare wings and screwdriver. We also get landing pads in different colors because the drone has a color sensor to land, and for more information we can refer the manual. Okay, let us get started. Okay, so let's start. We have drone. Now here there is a battery slot. We can see here there is a small slit and there is some elevation here, so you need to insert your battery in this way. As soon as you insert, your drone gets light up. Okay, now we have a controller. To use this controller, if you are controlling manually, then you can insert a cell battery here. Otherwise you can also use a USB to B cable and use a power bank. Yeah, here micro USB goes here and USB to a laptop. Now first we need to link drone and your controller. For that there is a button here. We can see, press and hold it for 3 seconds. You can also refer to the user manual. When it blinks in this way, we can see a P button on the controller. Press and hold. It will start to pair. Now it is paired. You can see when you move the direction of the drone, the cursor or the arrow on the controller shows you the direction of the drone. Okay, now here we can see we are having 4 buttons: R1, R2, L1, L2. Using R1, you see, if you press the R1, we can change the color of drone and the controller. So it will be helpful when you are working in a group, so that you can distinguish your drone among your friends. Okay, so now we are going to first show how to control this drone manually. Let us first safely place it on ground. Yeah, now we are going to control the drone manually. Here we can see the controller. First we need to hover the drone. For that, press and hold L1 button. It will take off and then it will hover. Yeah, to move forward, on the right joystick, go forward. For the left. For the right side, and you can come back. Now to change the angle of the drone, to change the direction of the drone, we can use left side joystick. Left for the anti-clockwise rotation, right for the clockwise rotation. And to increase the height of the drone, we can go up on the left joystick, and to land we can simply move the left side joystick to the bottom and it will land safely. Okay, now to control drone with code, you can simply go to Chrome, search for codrone.robolink.com/edu/python. Yeah, now enter. Here you can write Python files you will find tutorials. When you go to the website, you can write Python files to whichever shape you want. Here I have written for circle and a square. Now let us see how we can perform circle using code. Now previously we were using previous previously we were using controller in the manual mode, but now when you want to use it for the using code, you need to keep the controller in the link mode. So when you press this power button, it will come into the link state. So link state is used when you are going to use the code. Now keep this in link state. Come back to site. Here you can see there is a button connect. When you connect, it shows you the COM port. Yes, select it and then connect. It is loading here. It will get connected. Yeah, here see your drone is now connected, and we can see there is a 86% of battery in the drone remaining. Now you here I have choose the circle.py file. That means my drone is going to perform circular shape of so and so radius and time. You need to run this. So you first safely find the place for your drone that such that it does not collide to any wall. Then you can run. Now if anything mishappens, you can simply press this button land, so that your uh, drone will land in between, and you can stop. Also you can stop, but prefer landing because it is a safe landing. When you stop, the motors will suddenly stop and your drone will simply fall. Okay, now let us see. Okay, so now I have placed the drone here. I assume that drone will make a circle in this way. Now let us run the code and see. Okay, now see, I am going to run this. Yeah, we can see the drone is making a circular trajectory, maybe spiral trajectory. Now let us see one more shape, square. So first safely place it. Now run the code which is for square. So I have selected that file here. You can see square.py. Now run. A different shape which is square. So I have selected file for the square. You can see square.py. Now run. Yeah, that's all.